My plans, I did I go change that dress yet this morning, but I can't bother. I can't bother if I dirty up my clothes them. I wear it again for another day. One of the biggest obstacle to choices that we make is low self-esteem problem. Family dynamics play a role as well. And as counselors, we have to deal with that first in order to help people to make better decisions. One of Ticknna greatest problem that she's struggling with right now is low self-esteem problem. She has serious low self-esteem problem, maybe some underlying mental problem, but that is the core of our dilemma. She have serious family dynamics and a lot of we have it. Because when me there Canada sick like a hell, me could have try sacrifice and send the little dollar come to Jamaica. And from me take sick and can't send nothing, everybody abandon me. Me no have nobody neither. But Ticknna has family, you know. I get a lot of information, but I don't post them. Ticknna have a sibling who is nurse at KPH, you know. She has her sibling, but them not get along for whatever reason, so that is why she out a beg. But that's not my story this morning. My story is Ticknna self-esteem is so low that she's desperate for validation. So what she do? She go around and she take all of the bloggers them who dep on her side and post them up because she a look people for validate her reason why she choose a child for her partner. Me dear, you don't need nobody. The only problem that people have with you is because of what you did with Queenie. Nobody no care if your partner, as long as him over 18. Why not take it to make a big story like people have a problem? People only have a problem that you're with a 20-year-old because of your previous utterances. So when you live in a glass house, you cannot throw stone. Nobody could believe that you were dating a almost juvenile. And you have such a loud mouth against other persons doing it. And for you, at your age, have a 15-year-old daughter and a partner who is 20, it means that you have some serious underlying issues that need to be resolved. And for persons who are going to tell you that age is just a number, age can't be just a number when your daughter 15 and your boyfriend 20. That is rubbish. And that is what is it with bloggers. Bloggers just jump out and just blog in order to get views and to get likes, and the more views we get and the more pay we get. But a lot of them who I tell you say, oh, you fit there with, next time you fit there with one 20-year-old and next time you fit there with one 18-year-old. What are the age groups of their partner? Relationship is not only about the penetration and the stiffness. It is about the biological factors. With now me have bad pain and this your pain and that the pain and that the pain. Imagine now me there with somebody now who 20 whilst my body I go through menopause. That is cause for divorce. So as counselors, the furthest we tell you to look is 5 years. Because of the emotional and the psychological and all of those factors. But suppose people will go ahead and do otherwise. Are your business? Nobody no care. And what she do? Everybody that's who hate for me, she go around and she pin them on her page. And she and them a body up friend. Because she have low self-esteem problem. And she a look a quiet. I walk alone. I don't have nobody a champion my cause. Me tough like a rock. I walk alone. So stop walk and seek validation for your rubbish. Whatever you do are your own business, you're a big woman. You behave too childish. Why are you behaving so childish, Ticknna? You're behaving too childish, man. You need to take a grip of yourself. Nobody not care.